So I've been waiting a very long time for my Alu-Cab awning to come, and it looks like it is here. I ordered it in May, the end of May 29th, and today is the 12th. Actually, it's the 15th of September. So came in this big huge box, and we're going to try to get it on sometime today so we can start using this bad boy. Anyway, it was delivered by UPS, so I'm sure that it was a pain in the butt to haul this thing around all day. Okay, so the awning came and didn't come with any instructions other than how to open and close it. So the mounting instructions are I'll show you what the instructions it came with. The mounting is going to be a little bit challenging, just because you need a few people. So anyway, this is the instructions that came, how to open it, etc. So, which is fine. I'm assuming they probably just assume that you're going to mount it however you want to on your own system. So that's that, and I'm going to I used a piece of the cardboard that it came with right here to make a template. So I got my holes marked in my rack mounts, and it's kind of interesting is on this, the holes that they put in here are all at the front. Well, in my vehicle, it's going to overhang quite a bit in the front, and I'm not going to be mounting it to the cab of the truck right here because there's all that flex, and if you mount it here, it'll rip your awning apart. So I'm just going to be mounting it on the back of the truck, and then so I might have to drill some holes towards the back to get it mounted on there. So but I have four strong stainless steel brackets that you buy with your Prinsu rack. So I got 4 of those on there. Most people only put 2, but I'm gonna put 4 because that's a heavy duty rack. It weighs 65 pounds. So anyway, that for now, and I'll give you some updates as progress goes. Thanks for watching UtahYotas. Shipping takes a long time, so but I'm kind of tall, so the Alu-Cab awning wouldn't allow me to walk underneath it when I was standing on the ground. So I needed to build a bracket to move it higher up on my truck. So this is what I'm doing right now, building a bracket to move it higher up on the truck. And I got me some aluminum at my local metal shop, and so it's pretty thick aluminum, and I was able to bend it on my bender that I put together. I'll take a quick picture of my bender for you so you can kind of see. So I bought this. This is just a Harbor Freight unit, and then I got the Harbor Freight air jack, so it would make it easier for myself. And then you can buy this off dirtworks.com, I think. I'll have to look exactly the oh no, it's Swag Off-Road, excuse me, swagoffroad.com, and this is their finger brake. So, and I welded it together, so it's been awesome. I can't believe I've worked in my shop this many years without it. Yeah, I've bent so many things. It's been just fantastic. So I don't even use this as a press. I just use it as my bender. So anyway, I almost out of battery, and I'll record some more as soon as my battery's charged. Thanks. So as you can see, I got that bent on my bender, and now I'm drilling in the holes for the bolts to go in. They need to sit flush so that the awning can sit right on there after. So these are stainless steel, so they won't rust, and we'll get busy. So I wanted to just give a quick review of how to open the awning. So it's got the big zippers. This is the bracket that I ended up having to build. And so first is you get your straps up here, back up there. And then you got a couple straps that hold it on. This is the strap that holds it to the hooks to the back of the truck on that side. You'll see. Let's see. I'm going to undo the top because it's that. Okay, so then we just take and pull. It's pretty slick. It just opens up pretty much all by itself. Just got to pull it. And you'll see how it latches over here on this side. So the way it hooks on is you have to mount this bracket here, and then this slides in there. So you just give it a snug pull, and I broke my wrist, so I'm gonna have to pull it hard. There we go. So that slides in there. Now it's pretty much freestanding all by itself. It's got a little give in it with the bracket. I had to build this big bracket here because I couldn't make it low. It sat too low on the brackets that I had, and so I was too tall. So it made it so this part of it I'd hit my head on it. Now this thing here is, you got one leg. Just loosen this little strap, this little thing here, and it comes down, and then you can put some pegs in there, tighten this up. And then you can pretty much stand underneath the whole thing. And if you need to hook up more, it comes with the Alu-Cab. They send this little bag right here. Comes in here with your tent pegs. And it's got 3 tent pegs, and they hook onto these straps right here. And you can put your guy wires out here and strap it on. This is for this is your center piece here that you put up. So, and that is the Alu-Cab awning. Now what happened, the thing with this awning is it took me a long time to get it. I ordered it, and I probably ordered it in May, and I didn't get it till September. So because of the pandemic that's going on right now, all of the shipping and everything took a lot of time, and so you just basically bolt it in. I have put probably too many bolts, but I got like 8 of them holding it on. So, and that is the Alu-Cab awning. It's all aluminum. It's very, very, very lightweight. And as you can see, go out and let's get a good view of it from a distance. But it pretty much covers a lot of distance on the outside of the truck. And it opens up, and it's really gives you a lot of shade and coverage, and it's very durable, and you can actually add rooms onto the side that come down, but I'm never going to do that. So, but anyway, this is the Alu-Cab awning, and I'll show you how it goes down. So you just got to quickly just take it in reverse, loosen this up, pull it up here, and tighten that up so it holds it in place. Bring this down. You loosen this up, folds up all the way around, and bring it into here. I like to put these straps up here. So put the straps up, and then what you do is you just take it from the bottom right here, And we'll start rolling it. Other strap in there. And you got your strap right here that we're going to pull out. And then you got one more. This one right here. And I forgot to put these ones back in, so put these back up here. Right there. And I'm just going to pull the cover back down over top of it. It's nice that it's just a one-person job. I like to leave my zippers at the back so that they don't get any water in there when you're driving down the road. And that's the Alu-Cab awning.